Hi, Jenny from Aromahead here. Today we'll be making a blend that will help gently heal cuts and scrapes. We'll be working with 3 products specifically for pain and inflammation. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with 1 ounce of carrier. In this particular blend, we'll be working with Balm of Gilead Infused olive oil. And this particular carrier is made by wild crafting the cottonwood buds from the cottonwood tree and infusing it into extra virgin olive oil. All the way up. Oh my goodness, just on its own, it's so nourishing for the skin and so helpful if you have any kind of pain and inflammation. So we're gonna layer on top of that 2 different products. One is Cape Chamomile essential oil, which is steam distilled from the tiny white chamomile blossoms. Next, we're going to add 6 drops of Cape Chamomile directly into our carrier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's a light blue color. So refreshing. Layering into this blend, we're going to add Balsam Copaiba. It's technically an oleoresin, but it has the consistency of an essential oil. It's tapped from trees in Brazil, and it's crafted in a more sustainable manner. All right, we're going to put in 12 drops. Oh, there we go. It's a little thicker in viscosity than the essential oil because it is an oleoresin. It smells very mild, very sweet, like a very faint honey. And there you have it. You have a blend for helping to gently manage pain and inflammation. If you have scrapes or cuts, it's great to have on hand. I'm gonna close this lid here. You just wanna shake it, get everything blended in, mixed in. And there you go. All together, it's very warm, very sweet, very resinous, but it's not overpowering. If you want to learn more about any of these products, click the link below. And like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Jenny and Karen here. Thanks for watching.
We have a number of ways for you to engage with our content. Follow us on social, tune into our live events, check out our blog, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And don't forget to take our free Intro to Essential Oils course if you haven't already.